If you are leading a team which is lacking alignment, then this video is for you. They may be team members who were really close to each other in the past, but as the work demanded or the project requirements, the communication has reduced. If that is the case in your team, then this tip is definitely going to help you. Foster positive team culture. Consciously do some activities that encourage team building. Have some morning rituals wherein everybody comes to work and they're doing high five with each other, or in the morning huddle everybody is sharing one positive thing happened in the morning or the previous day. This helps to everyone to get to know each other a little bit more and stay connected, even though they have been knowing each other for a long time, but maybe the communication has decreased. So as a leader, it becomes your responsibility to inculcate those rituals in your team which encourages communication on a day-to-day basis. Address conflict promptly. Encourage team members to address their concerns directly with the person they have a concern with and first. And then if it doesn't get solved, then you get involved to address that. And promote a sense of communication and collaboration in the team. If you like this tip, do remember to follow for more such tips. Thank you.